Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continuing our video series designed to educate our viewing audience. And today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic. What are the benefits of a divorce? So please subscribe to our channel. Now, what does that mean? What are the benefits of a divorce? Two people don't get along. They get a divorce, right? The benefit is you maintain your sanity. That's the benefit. It's not really what we're talking about. That's an obvious answer. The question becomes, are there benefits associated with getting a divorce if you got two people, they got married whenever, they've been separated for 10 years, is there a reason for them to get divorced now? I mean, they both moved on. They both, never intend to remarry. Why do they need a divorce? Why do they need now to go through the time and expense of a divorce? Well, it's possible that in some instances it won't make a difference, but it's also possible that in certain instances it will. So, for example, suppose a guy is estranged from his wife for many, many years. He meets somebody else. They're not necessarily wanting to get married. She has kids. He's very fond of the kids. He wants to make sure that if he dies, she inherits him and the kids get, appropriate inheritance. Well, in that situation, you got to remember one thing. If he dies without a divorce, guess what? His woman that he's been with for 15 years, taking care of her and her kids, she's not technically his surviving spouse. The one that he's been estranged from all those years, she's still the surviving spouse. And you know what that means? That means that under our estate laws, she has the right to come in and take from his estate as a surviving spouse. And that's going to give her the lion's share of his estate. Therefore, if he is in a situation where he's moved on to the relationship, even if he doesn't intend to marry, or I should say remarry, he should still get the divorce, because without it, there's a risk that someone who he has no relationship with and no regard for could technically inherit his estate. So there is, amongst other things, that benefit associated with getting a divorce, even though the parties are already, they feel they divided up everything and they're done. Even though they have accomplished that and they have nothing to do with each other, it's very, very important for them to tie up that loose end. Because if you don't tie up legal loose ends, you never know in what other context it may become relevant. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.